communities that haven't had development. I've been very fortunate that I live in a community that's seen property values go up. So if you're looking to sell your home, you have a market, but we have a lot of abatements, a lot of TIF monies. I'm curious how you would negate that this is an economic development tool for these communities, these 15 communities that don't currently have the TIFs. Right. So that we might be able to share that.
What is the proper role of the city in economic development, especially in areas that have been hurt, blighted, disinvested, and the results of prejudice and racism? The answer is not TIFs, in no shape or form. I've tried to demonstrate to you that TIFs are the opposite of equity. If a TIF comes to town, equity goes out the window. So I invite a conversation to say, well, what can a city do that only a city can do to make a city great? And I come down pretty much back to public education. I mean, it's not rocket science. If it has the word public in it, that's what a city is for, making great public stuff. That's how I got to be the person I am who's standing here before you. I am the product of my city's public stuff. It's very simple. That or my single mom who raised me. But you know what I'm saying? So it's not some crazy cockamamie, we're going to have a grant for this and we're going to study that and then we're going to have a project and we'll study that. No. Just make your schools world class with small classrooms, with upgraded materials, with the nurses and all the wraparound services that a modern school needs. And stuff will start to happen. Now, is it the 100% answer? No. We also need great mass transit, so people can get back and forth to work. We need great parks, so people can recreate themselves and blow out some steam. That is what makes, to me, a city great. So
TIFs take away from those things.
And TIFs take away from all those things. So equity and TIFs, they don't match, in my opinion. Back to this issue of public. Now, it could be that one way to redress harm is to have a massive employment program for young people of color. And just say, if you're 18 or under, we're going to give you a solid job doing X, Y, or Z. And that's it. That's the criteria to make up for all the wrongs. And we're going to touch this TIF money, and we're going to say it's $100 million. Okay? Let's start there. What do you think? Okay? Is that a place that you might want to start? I don't know. But it's the kind of thinking, that's the kind of thing that a government can do. Like FDR did in World War II. Let's remember what he did when America needed to be put to work. After the banks failed and they did all that greedy stuff, just like it happened a few years ago, the government has to step in to do. So maybe in Chicago, we've been trying to extend our subway line down to the far south side, which is an African-American community, for 30 years. And if we were able to put that red line all the way down to the border of Indiana, that's hundreds and hundreds of good jobs, union jobs, to build the red line, and then the red line will be there for 100 years, and all the businesses that are going to start up around each of the red line stops, we know that works. Only a government can do that. That's the kind of thinking I'm